p.m. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Daviess County in northwestern Illinois, eastern Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Center Hill, or near Mount Carroll, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Mount Carroll, Savannah, Lena, Stockton, Lanark, Pearl City, Cheyenne, Shadarville, Davis, Dakota, Winslow, Rock City, Nora, Argo, Fay, Buena Vista, Lauren, Rock Grove, Oneco, and Orangeville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois.